Hi Cancer, welcome to Omkara Tarot and let's do a mid-month love check-in for you. These are general collective readings. Cancer will not resonate with each and every one of you. So take what works for you, okay? And leave the rest. Also a big thank you to all my subscribers. Believe it or not, this channel is barely 3 months old and we've already shot way over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. I am so overwhelmed with all your love. Thank you. And if you're new here, we are a little Omkara family. We meet here weekly for love readings, monthly, bi-monthly, love, money and work readings, you and yours readings. So feel free to join us. We welcome you in. Do subscribe to the channel and be part of us. And with that said, our cards are ready and I have the Ace of Wands here. Something passionate coming, Cancer. So the newbies, I have two sets of cards, person A, person B. You can decide which side you resonate best with, and in the center have your mutual energies, okay? So let's see where person A is. Queen of Swords in reverse, okay? And the Five of Wands. There's a very angry feminine energy here, Cancer. And there is a lot of conflict going on as well. Oops. Scary energies. Somebody is really angry with this King of Wands. And something's come to an end and person A doesn't want to work towards it anymore, doesn't want to accept any offer. Okay, let's see person 2. I'm shaking already. Queen of Wands in reverse. Wow. Wheel of Fortune in reverse. Four of Wands in reverse. Temperance, okay. The World. And the Ten of Cups. So, what happened here, Spirit, with the Queen of Swords? What's happening here with the Queen of Swords? Somebody tried to manipulate somebody. I think this is the masculine energy here. And there's a very manipulative, emotionally manipulative person who doesn't show emotions and uses people sometimes. And he's pissed off. He's pissed off this feminine big time. He's done something which was very sneaky and very mean, I think. And yeah, here's the Queen of Swords again. So, this is one angry couple here. What's happening, Cancer? There's a big Five of Wands as well, which means conflict. And now somebody is sitting down and thinking about this. After these bitter words have been spoken by both of you, my God. Somewhere here the masculine knows that it's person A's fault. Now whether this is masculine, feminine or Cancer, this is you. I don't want to get into trouble. This is a big fight, okay? And yeah, things have really come to an end here. At least that's how one first person is feeling. So, King of Wands. Not backing down, even though they know that they are in a losing wicket here. This King of Wands is still kind of appearing as if I'm going to not give up and I'm going to still fight. No, very well knowing that the choice has already been made and things have already come to a total halt here. Spirit, what is this? Spirit is also... Yeah, somebody was manipulative here. Somebody was trying to trick the other person. There were illusions created which resulted in somebody walking away here, Cancer. So, what's this Four of Cups? What's this Four of Cups, Spirit? There was a peeper here as well. Things were not right here, Cancer. Somebody was more trouble than they were worth. There was a question of equal give and take, which was not done, and there was somebody here who didn't put in the work, for this partnership. And that's now led to all the sorrow and regret and people walking away and this fight happening. Oh my God. So who's this person who's regretful, Spirit? Who's this person who's regretful? What's happening here? What happened here, Spirit? There is a very angry feminine as well. Somebody cheated, somebody lied, somebody did something wrong here. Maybe in the money department, there was a big fight. Somebody was trying to create illusions. Sneak away, not put in the work, and now this person A is full of regrets at what has happened. And person 2 also, there's a Queen of Wands in reverse. That means this queen who this person had a fight with as the Queen of Swords in reverse, she's appearing here as well as the Queen of Wands, which is again a very, very angry queen. Very angry queen. Too many cards. So what's this Queen of Wands, Spirit? She's holding back big time. She's not ready to now have anything to do with this masculine. Things have totally come to a total stop with the Wheel of Fortune in reverse. The stable foundation or whatever is now upside down, and now this person B is trying to bring back some balance in their life and trying to heal their broken heart. So why is the Wheel of Fortune in reverse, Spirit, for person B? Turn their back. They're holding back. They've turned their back. They're very angry. Things have really stagnated in the stability of this relationship. Some choices have been made by this queen, and now she's trying to heal this broken heart and find some kind of balance in her own life. But the world is still in reverse, which means this chapter really hasn't come to an end. Yes. Now that she's cooled off, I think, a little bit, Cancer, she's kind of re-evaluating, it seems. What is the investment that I've put into this relationship? What is the investment the masculine's put into this relationship? Should I give it another chance? Should I not? And that's why this little window of the world shutting down, this chapter is still open with it in reverse. So right now things are a bit open-ended, it seems, but she's still seeming very she is not feeling emotionally satisfied, Cancer. She wanted the sun. She wanted the complete happiness with the masculine. She wanted the 10 of cups, but they are in reverse. So whatever dreams she had of happiness and whatever did not come true, and maybe she was stagnant for a very long time, and now wanting to come out of this hermit mode. Been stuck for a very long time, it seems. Oof, what a reading. Anything else, Spirit, for person B? She's going through a bit of confusion right now. She's not sure which path to take, what to do. She's still in contemplating whatever happened, what didn't happen. Person A is also regretful, now trying to kind of look back and say, oh my God, I've lost everything and somebody walked away because I did something wrong. Or maybe whoever did wrong, I don't know. But I think both, because this war is like war. The King of Cups in reverse and the Queen of Swords in reverse, and she came in twice. And then she's here as well as the Queen of Wands in reverse. So this was like a nasty battle between the two of you. Let's see what's in your mutual energy. Hierophant, 6 of Pentacles, and the Queen of Cups. Alright, so maybe something new and passionate is beginning again for you guys, Cancer. And you may just be able to move out of troubled waters and go into calmer seas. Let's see, okay. So what's this what's this Hierophant or the High Priest, as it says in my deck? What's this spirit? Okay, both want justice now. Both want justice, want commitment, want to be over all the stress and pain and tension that I think both of you have caused each other. And now both coming back to bring back justice and balance into this committed relationship. Or you may be wanting commitment now. Or maybe this is already a committed relationship. I mean, maybe this is already a married couple or two people who've been together for a long time. Things have been very, very hazy till now. Both are still in their emotions, but wanting desperately to come out of this, very unhappy space with being troubled and not being able to sleep and wanting to bring justice, wanting a recommitment if there was a commitment or bringing a new commitment. So there's also the Six of Pentacles. So let's see, Six of Pentacles. Queen of Cups wanted to come out again, by the way. Huh? So the Queen of Cups said if Queen of Swords could come out twice, I can come out twice as well. But somehow went back. Yeah, here she comes again. Oh God. I pushed her back in the deck and she just jumped right back out. Wow, that's how powerful these tarot cards are. Isn't it amazing? We were talking about it right now and this card just flew out again. Yes, this queen has thought about it. She's given it a lot of thought. And like I said, she hadn't yet shut this chapter down. She's realized that, yes, this person A actually makes her very happy. And if there was, enough equal give and take in this relationship, yes, and there it is. Here comes the masculine with the love offer, and here comes the queen with her big cup. And soon there's going to be equal give and take in this relationship. Wow. I mean, this was amazing the way this Queen of Cups popped out the second time. Okay, so I have another Queen of Cups, so I'm sure she wants to be clarified as well. Okay, in all her glory. So why is Queen of Cups in the mutual position for both spirit? Okay. Okay, one more spirit. Let's honor this Queen of Cups by clarifying her totally. One more. Huge transformation coming, huge transformation coming. Okay, so now this king wants to move ahead passionately. Now he wants to take charge. He's no longer the knight or the magician or the King of Cups upside down. Now he's decided that yes, I'm going to now take charge, take control. I have a lot of passion for my queen, this one, right? And the queen is also looking at him. Look at the way she's eyeing him and saying, yes, this one really brings me a lot of happiness. So I think you guys are going to come together and you're going to now open up and all secrets will be revealed as to what really happened, and you'll have a good conversation. After that, you will decide. Now, either you guys will put a death to this relationship or it could lead to a huge transformation where you guys can come together in love. I really feel it's going to be the latter, seeing the way you guys are eyeing each other right now. Maybe right now you're fighting and you must be saying, oh my God, Omkara Tarot talking crap. We've just had a huge fight. But yes, this is coming up, Cancer. You guys can't really live without each other. There's a lot of love here. There's a lot of regret over the fight. And things are going to kind of settle down soon. After that, of course, you have your free will. You can use the death card to finish this relationship, or you can talk it out, offer your love to each other, and bring in a beautiful transformation. So let's take an angel blessing card as well. One more, Spirit. Spirit says that if you guys are in separation and if you guys are fighting and you're not clear about, how, whether you want to get together again or not, what are the answers, and you're asking me, asking Spirit, asking tarot cards, just sit down and play some random music, okay? And ask this question of your angels and be very clear in the question that you're asking. In the first 3-4 songs, listen to the lyrics very carefully. You may just get a message, a direct message from the angels, okay? So play music, and on the other hand, this could also mean that it's time to kind of forgive each other, all right? Forgive each other, because if you both realize that, I found the one that I want to live happily ever after with, then chill, play some romantic music and dance a little. All right? So that's all I have for you, Cancer. Take care, love and light. Namaste to all of you, and see you next week.